Are you looking for the best skateboard trucks in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best skateboard trucks that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
At number 5, Caliber 2 Longboard Truck Set. Another great skateboard truck. This particular one will have you awestruck. Having a size of 10 inches and an inclination of 44 degrees, this is particularly perfect high truck skateboards. Furthermore, the truck set features a red color satin finish. It not only adds a special look to the truck, but also makes it completely secure from rusting and corrosion. Moreover, it only weighs 2.41 pounds. Thus, it does not make your skateboard heavy at all. You get all the support and balance. At number 4, Independent 149 Silver Truck. Whether you are upgrading your skateboard or simply building a new one, the Independent 149 truck deserves your time. This skateboard truck offers high performance and easily supports all styles of skateboarding. Of course, it comes with the best quality 356 T6 aluminum hanger and base plate. On the other hand, the axle, as well as the grade 8 kingpin, is of high-grade chromium molybdenum steel. So the impact resistance and overall physical strength of this skateboard truck exceed most of the others. Plus, it also offers super crush cushions along with cylinder bottoms. Thus, it further takes care of your security completely. At number 3, Independent 129mm Skateboard Trucks. Here you have another great skateboard truck from the House of Independent. Like the last one in this list, this one too provides efficient performance. Of course, the best thing about this skateboard truck is the fact that it offers great stability and balance. Most importantly, it makes sure that you can turn your skateboard quickly and efficiently with proper grind clearance. Plus, it makes sure that you get very less wheel bite above everything else. Moreover, it also comes with high-quality urethane wheels from Spitfire. Thus, they are best for streets as well as the skating parks. At number 2, Independent Stage 11 Skateboard Trucks. Stage 11 skateboard truck is certainly a great choice. Obviously, it has a size of 8.25 inch or 144 millimeters, which makes it perfect for high truck skateboards. Next, the housing of the truck is of the best quality aluminum. This makes the truck strong as well as highly durable. Besides, due to its aluminum construction, it is free from any chance of rusting as well as corrosion. Lastly, the aluminum construction makes sure it is lightweight. Thus, it does not make your board bulky at all. At number 1, Cal 7180mm Trucks. Having several decades of experience in the industry, Cal 7 offers this unique truck that has been hand-picked by the best experts. Appropriate for longboard cruising, this truck has a sturdy base plate with a 50-degree inclination. Hence, it allows performing efficiently even at high speeds while being able to make quick turns without losing balance. Also, the axle is of grade 8 category and has a width of 9.75 inches. Plus, you get a 180mm hanger along with the axle. So it ensures utmost efficiency while making your rides completely secure.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.